here we're up at Bert's Harley Davidson having a conversation with these gentlemen, and this time it's not for him. So the main reason Josh gave me a ride in the back of the Road King up to Bert's Harley Davidson is because when we were picking up the Road King, started talking to Gunner about, you know, what do you think about me borrowing a Softail Standard? And he said fine. So I'm gonna borrow that for a few weeks. There we go. So I gotta say, I absolutely love these guys. We walked in, they were the friendliest people in the world, and they said thank you for all that you do. It's really weird when the general manager walks up to you and goes, we love what you do because you're honest. Be honest, that's all we ask of you. Just be honest. Not gonna argue with that, so we're gonna have an honest review of the new Softail Standard coming soon.
Wait, I got it off. Wait.
Okay. Say my bike again, come on.
Your bike is ready to go. Got the tag. And you can drive off. Yeah, then you can just leave.
Oh,
okay.
God, here we go.
Not gonna argue with that one.
This makes me a bit nervous.
So the funny thing is, I've yet to sit on it. I have yet to ride it. This will be my legitimate first impression of this motorcycle.
Hey, Flip, no pressure. This is only a brand new motorcycle with 0 miles on it that you're taking home. No pressure. Don't mess it up.
Thanks, man.
Whatever you do, don't feel any anxiety at all about getting on this expensive motorcycle and riding it around. None at all. You're fine.
Want to hear something funny? I haven't even tried to turn it on. It's like, I know how to do it, but it's like, is it gonna work? Well, Bert's Harley Davidson gave me a motorcycle to walk away with, so I'm gonna walk away with it.
That's every time I leave here, I'm just like, man, you freaking suckers. So this is your very first time on one of those, right?
Yeah. You know, nothing feels better than a new motorcycle.
I can't lie. That is absolutely the truth. I feel like you know when you first sit in a car and you gotta like adjust the mirrors and like put the seat back, like figure out where your feet are. Oh yeah. Is that what you're doing right now?
Basically.
Is that why you're way back there?
Power. So far so good. I like it.
Oh man, yeah. It's been 100 yards. You ready to do the review?
No.
All right. This is always a trick. When you forget to strap your helmet in and you try to do it with gloves.
I forget to do that all the time and I feel like the biggest idiot ever.
Well, you know, if I was you, I'd feel like the biggest idiot ever as well. So, it's, well, at least we agree on something. Me, even when I mess up, I still feel amazing. It's a blessing and a curse, really.
Is it now? Is it weird that I'm really happy that it's not a hydraulic clutch?
No, I don't think that's weird at all. I actually prefer a cable clutch as well. I just think hydraulic clutches really, I don't know, they serve, it's just another point to brake. They serve no purpose. They're fine. Like, it's not like this clutch stinks. It doesn't suck. I just prefer a cable clutch.
It's like the technology you want and not the ones that bother you. Those gotta go.
What?
That's gotta go. The foot pegs, isn't it gross?
No, well, they're foot pegs, dude. Look at this guy. Look at this guy over here. Gets a brand new bike with an engine, big old engine in it, and instead of thinking about how to go fast, he goes, "Ooh, we need new foot pegs." That's why my build has stock hand grips and stock everything except for suspension and motor.
They asked me, what do I want to do to it? Now I'm thinking about it. See, this is why guys like your motorcycles and why girls like mine. I like aesthetically pleasing motorcycles.
All right. Fancy fop over here wants a pretty motorcycle.
I mean, there's a reason you own a Rocket 3.
Yes. I like to go fast.
So this motorcycle had 4 miles on it when I got it.
Is that a weird feeling or what, man?
Yeah. It is. It's very weird.
All right, let's rock and roll, Flip. Brand new motorcycle, 4 miles on it. Watch it wring its neck. Come on, catch up, dude. What are you doing back there?
Churning. Yeah, the first time on any interstate on a new motorcycle, instantly, like, super nervous.
Are you?
Yeah. It's been a while since I've done this kind of a seating position, and on this kind of a haul.
Yeah, no, you look tough on it, dude.
I know, I look awesome.
Well, how do you know you look tough? Are you just assuming? Are you just assuming now?
You know what they say when you assume.
We'll leave it in the comments. We'll leave it up to you guys. Does Flip look tough on the new Softail standard? I don't know, dude.
I'm not playing this game with the 131.
I think the 131 in the Road King is so tough. You look tougher on the back of this bike than you do on your own bike, buddy.
I'm man enough to be okay with that.
I know I'm making you so uncomfortable right now by like making you go 90 miles an hour instead of going the speed limit.
I didn't even notice we were going that fast.
Oh yeah, dude. And I know I'm making you uncomfortable, and that makes me happy. Oh, okay. Who do you think you are?
This engine feels nice.
What feels nice?
This engine, it's there. I mean, the power's there. It's not obnoxious power.
Yeah, people love to talk. I don't know why. People talk crap about anything that's new, and they love to talk crap about the Milwaukee 8. I mean, obviously I haven't put 100,000 miles on one, so what do I know? But as far as the way it feels and it makes power and it runs, I love it, dude. I think it's absolutely amazing, both in stock form and in 131 cubic inch form. They're both great, trust me.
I like the way these videos are ending, by the way. You go clean poopers and I get to go ride motorcycles.
Yeah, thanks. Riding through the storm on our V-twin American muscle right to the bar so I can mop up piss on the bathroom floor.
My exhaust is still shocked, so vroom vroom.
Yeah, you gotta say it. They make a cool intake sound though.
And my next problem, always the first time trying to find the kickstand.
Yeah, you're really the first time you rode the bike, you're putting it down like, oh, I've never put down this kickstand before.
Man, I'm sure that there's a lot of you right now like, oh man, look at him, he's not wearing gloves. I'm gonna get him in the comments. Suck it, nerds. I'm going right across the street to Health Mutt to go pick up my dog's favorite dog treat. So no fingies right now. Yep, those dogs are having sex. Totally lost my train of thought now. I just gotta go pick up a bone for my dog while I'm in the area because it's her favorite treat. Thank you, ladies. Well, folks, this is probably where I'm gonna leave you all for today. All I can say right now is one amazingly huge thank you so much to Bert Harley Davidson for believing that this channel shows enough value for them to take a risk on letting me borrow this motorcycle. Thank you guys so much. You're so awesome. Quick tip, most people don't know, I actually bought my Sportster from, well, now Bert's, then Jim's. So some people still work there from back then, which is why I love them so much. So yeah, that's where I got my 48 from. So as we get to the island, I've only got 3 more things to say to you guys. Don't forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe. And as always, catch you all on the flip side. One more thing, guys. Yeah.